Y'all see that? Do you know what that means? That means I have got to get my tail in gear and get these animals fed and get back inside before I get struck by lightning. This is Gigi. She does not know how to get out like the other goats, so she tries to make her escape every single time I open the gate to put the other goats back in. But then she realizes, oh, it's feeding time. Let me just get back in here too. Okay, I'm gonna speed this up now. If only I could really move this fast. That's it, Bob and Susan. I'm looking for their feed pan, and it is literally nowhere to be found.